parallel parking is a weak area for many drivers, including experienced ones. So VFF Driving School and Ray Driving Theory app are going to show you how to park in 3 simple steps. Let's welcome Dinah. She is another VFFian and she's here to help illustrate how to park in 3 simple steps. So when you're ready, Dee, we are going to engage our gear first. The easiest way to park is to remember the abbreviation 1 to 1. So we'll start off with our 6-point check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we are going to signal and position next to the car in front of us, please. Well done. We always finish looking roadside because that's where most of the traffic will be. And then we'll come back and make sure that we are at least at arm's length away. Perfect, and that our steering wheel is nice and straight, which it is. The starting position referencing point wants to be wing mirror and wing mirror, and we're going to start off with our 1-to-1 method by turning 1 full circle to the left and making sure that the movement of the car is really slow but the steering is quick. Okay, so in between each step we will look and do our 6-point check. So reverse gear, please. Reverse. And then we are going to do 1 full circle to the left. That's it, 1 circle, hold it there, lovely. So we're just going to reverse back now until the back of the car, the edge of the pavement has disappeared. We're going to stop there. So also what I use is once the first line, the second line is near, that's when I stop. And then the edge of the pavement has also disappeared. Can you see? Yeah, the edge. Okay, and then when you're ready, we're going to do 2 turns to the right of the 6-point check. 1, 2, and you're locking it. That's it. Good, it's locked and we're going. Good, and once the car is about to straighten up, which it has, lovely. Now the car's straight there and we can confirm in the wing mirror that it is straight. Go straight all the way down, it's running all the way down. And then finally we want to do 1 turn to the, that's it, left. And then, good, we want tyres and tarmac, which it is. We're going to stop, and then finally we're going to go into park. Very nice. Let's just show the park how equal it is all the way down. Okay, so remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do this, the easier the maneuver will be. If you are doing your driving lessons alongside your theory, please make sure you download the Ray Theory Driving app, as it will help you to get test ready and pass. And let us know if this routine works for you in the comments below. Thank you.